Good morning, everyone. We are here in Nashville, and we're finishing up and heading on our way over to Shelbyville. So welcome back to another episode. If you're new here, my name is Mark, and I am a driver for Chief Express out of Seagrove, North Carolina. So welcome. Alright, so we made it to Shelbyville, and we're just down the road from our destination. I'm supposed to look for the Sonic on the left, and their driveway is just past that. It should be a mile away now. But yeah, I got out of Nashville pretty quick there. I was there for like a total of 32 minutes, and I was trying to back into the dock and getting unloaded, so it didn't take long at all up there. Oh, come on, light. I can't spend too much time here. Let's see here. After I leave here, it's 8 hours and 5 minutes back to the yard, and I got 9 hours and 7 minutes of drive time left, so I got an hour to spare, and I'm probably going to need every bit of it, because I'm pretty sure somewhere between here and Seagrove there's an accident, or there will be, and I'm going to have to sit in traffic.
In 3/4 of a mile, arrive at Alcan.
There's always an accident somewhere. Okay, I see the Sonic down there. Listening to a show here. Let me pause that. This place is called Alcan. Alcan Plastics or something like that. Alright, there's the Sonic. It must be that white and blue building over there.
In 400 feet, arrive at Alcan, on the left.
What's that sign say? I can't read it. Shipping and receiving. Well, it says past Sonic, so this has to be it.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Then I'm supposed to talk into the speaker here. Okay, stop here, push button for directions for access to dock 6 through 10. Pull up and back down. Road to the left. There's no turnaround area. Okay, I get what they're saying. Oh, potholes. So I guess I'm stuck in a pothole here. All right, so let me check in, see what's going on. All right. We are going to dock 7, which is around the side, but she has told me there is no room to turn around down there, so I've gotta back down in there. Let me get this phone, then I gotta back up to the dock, unhook. Come on, get out of the pothole. Unhook, then go inside, clean out the trailer. These potholes are filled with water. I can't tell how deep they are. so we don't have to do a blindside back. Try to stay out of the big potholes. Some other trucks here. Never been here before, so I don't know how long this will take. Hopefully not long. I'd like to get out of here in an hour. That would be amazing. Dock 7. There. Now he's pulling away from the dock, so that'll make it that much easier. Oh, get in there. Man, that was tight. You could have pulled up further than that. Yeah, I am not going to make it home this evening. You know, this morning, get to Nashville, and I was in and out of there in like a half an hour. Then get over here, and I'm like, you know, if I can get in and out of here in an hour, and man, I'll be golden. I can get home tonight, be home on Friday. But I have now been sitting here for almost 3 hours and still not loaded. So yeah, I got I mean, right now I got 8 hours and 11 minutes because I've already went into my 14-hour clock. So it's at least 8 hours and 2 minutes according to Garmin to get back to Seagrove. And I know there's going to be traffic somewhere, at least in Knoxville. So you know, there's no way I'm making it back. So I think what I'm going to do when I get out of here is just go down to Newport, Tennessee, which is on the far east side, and then I can do like a 7-3 or an 8-2 split. And so I'll just park there for tonight, get up super early in the morning, and get on into Seagrove, get rid of this trailer, and go home. Now let's see, I don't know what time I'll be home. Maybe 10 a.m. tomorrow by the time I get there. So, but yep, that's all we can do now is just wait. All right, well, something going on right here. It's a fender bender. Yep, that's not good. Alright, well anyway, during my last transmission there, they called me, said my paperwork was ready.
Turn right on North Main Street.
Yeah, there was about, I think 3 trucks up there waiting to get to the dock, so I couldn't waste a lot of time messing around with the GoPro. I had to get the trailer and get out of there, grab my paperwork, and get out here on the road to get out of everybody's way. So to Brown's Summit, North Carolina. So yesterday finally got out of Shelbyville. It took them 3 hours to get me loaded, so there was no chance of getting home. And of course, after I left Shelbyville, I just had nothing but traffic. Leaving out of Shelbyville, I had traffic, and then when I got back on 40 on the east side of Nashville, I hit traffic, and then I hit traffic big time in Knoxville. It took me about an hour to get through there.
Traffic light.
And yeah, I just decided, because I wasn't going to make it home anyway, so I figured I'll just go to Newport, Tennessee, and park there at the Loves, and then just get up early in the morning and head to the yard. But they asked me to go ahead and deliver this load over here in Brown's Summit. It's going to the Procter & Gamble. In fact, that's it right there in front of us, I think. Or it might be the next one over. But yeah, they asked me to go ahead and deliver this, so, you know, not a big deal. This should be a drop and hook, so it shouldn't take long. But yeah, I wasn't going to make it back anyway, so just went ahead and parked over. Yeah, it's not that one. Just parked in Newport and got up this morning about, well, I left at 6 o'clock to come over here. So don't know which one it is. I think it's, I've never been over here before, so I think it's this one. It's got to be this one.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at P&G Brown's Summit on the right.
That says, oh, that's not, nope, wrong one. Ah, okay. That was the other business, Morissette. Big sign there says Morissette, and I'm trying to turn in there. No, I'm going here. All right.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Let's see. Well, do I go to the guard shack, or do I gotta park and walk? Alright, well, I don't know if I gotta park first, or I can just roll right up in there. I don't see no sign that tells me to park, so I'm just gonna go straight there. All right, let me jump off of here and check in and See what they tell me here. Alright, so I gotta drop in 288 and get an empty trailer out of 175. Let's see. I guess it's this way. Okay, okay, I think I'm gonna be on that row over there. Or no, wait a minute. Yeah. The back row over there. Okay. Yeah, it took a minute to get checked in. I was probably, I don't know, 10 minutes, I guess I sat there. But we get to drop and hook. We don't have to sit and wait for them to unload us. All right, 288, where are you at? You can barely see these numbers. So it's a 310. How much you want to bet there's a trailer in 288? Oh, wait a minute. Is that 290? Is that 288? 290. Yeah. Yeah, there's a trailer in 288. That's 288 right there where that Epps trailer is. So, wait a minute. 280. Yeah, that's 290. Okay, what's this up here? That's 286. All right. It's going in 290. Somebody messed up. Oh, did I miss it? Almost. Yeah, I messed up on my setup there. Yeah, I've screwed that up. That's alright, I can still get it in there. I gotta pull up, damn it. Let's try that again. Alright, that looks better. One more pull up. Yeah, not my best effort parking a trailer, but nobody's waiting on me and I didn't hit nothing. That's the important thing. Plus my tandems are all the way back. That kind of messes me up. And let's see, I'm trying to get on that pad. I think I'm there. Okay. Yeah, I stayed in Newport, and I didn't want to have to stop and get fuel this morning, so I went ahead and just got fuel there in Newport. I didn't need fuel, but I like to top off before I come home. Yeah, you always got to have your landing gear on the concrete pad here. But yeah, I like to top off before I come home. I had enough to get to Seagrove, but I don't know where I'm gonna be going next week. So I want to get topped off in case they send me somewhere where I'm not gonna have a place to fuel for several hundred miles. See, almost high hooked it. Almost high hooked it. Yep. Let's put it in low gear. Be easier to dolly down. That'll do. Yep, that'll do. Disaster averted. All right, we have made it out of there. And we are good to go back to the yard. And call this week done. Let's see. I think I've got to go. Yeah, I got to go back out this way. All right.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on US 29 South.
My truck is going to be in the shop.
Turn right at the traffic light.
On Monday, so I won't be at work. They got to replace my instrument cluster here, because the front cover is cracked in 4 different places. Don't know how it happened. Come in on a Saturday, you know, got done for the week, came in Saturday, parked the truck in the yard, everything was fine. And then come in on Tuesday, look down at my dash, or the instrument cluster, and the doggone thing was cracked. And the truck had been in the shop Monday, so I figured maybe the shop guys did something. So I called them up and asked them what happened. And they said that when the mechanic got in the truck to pull it in the bay, he noticed that it was cracked too. So don't know how it happened. The shop foreman did call the place where they bought these trucks from, and according to them, that's apparently been a common problem where somehow these covers, you know, that plastic cover cracks on its own. I guess the vibrations, you know, bouncing up and down, going down the road, it breaks, you know, the bottom bezel of it and creates those cracks. So they ended up getting another instrument cluster, and I think they're going to be able to get it under warranty, so they don't have to pay for it. So it'll just be their time to install it. The problem is you can't just hook the wire and harness up to it and call it done. You got to reprogram it. So I don't know if they'll have to take that to the dealer to get it done, or if they have a programmer there in the shop. I don't know, but they will have the truck all day Monday, so I want to get it cleaned out. It's not too bad, but definitely need to get the floor cleaned up a little bit. I like for it to look presentable when they come and take my truck and you know, put it in the shop to do anything on it. I don't want to look like a pig. So yeah, I might not be doing a whole bunch next week, because next week is Thanksgiving, right? So if I don't come in until Tuesday, I'll probably just do a short run to Pennsylvania or Tennessee or something, and then come back, and then that'll be it. So I'll get one short run out and one short run back, and my week will be done. But I am not going to complain about that. I get Sunday and Monday off, and then I'll work Tuesday and Wednesday, and then get Thursday and Friday and probably Saturday off. We'll see. They may have something going out Saturday, going to Texas or something. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump off of here and call this one done. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one.